I'm Allison Velez. I'm the Chief People Officer at Everside Health. I run all things HR, talent, and I get to work on really important programs for our company, including diversity and inclusion, how we're functioning and supporting our communities and our teammates, our patients, and our clients. I have about 20 years of HR experience, and about 10 of those have been in healthcare. I have to say, as soon as I had my first human resources job in healthcare, I fell in love with it right away. It's by far and away the most fulfilling part of what I've done in my career, is being able to know that the work we do to hire and to retain great teammates for our organization actually affects people's lives, their health, and their well-being through the care we provide to our patients. Part of the reason I came to Everside Health, and I've stayed in healthcare for 10 years, is because of my own personal healthcare journey with my children. I have 3 beautiful daughters, and one of them, when she was 5 years old, was diagnosed with a genetic disorder. And what I learned very quickly is about how to be a care coordinator, how to make sure that physicians were talking to each other, how to make sure that everybody had the information that they needed so that she had the full and comprehensive care that she required. I have to say, it's when I first really understood what it meant to say that healthcare wasn't working and that it was broken in our country. And while we made certainly lemonade out of those lemons, and she's healthy and well today, what I really learned, and this is what I love about Everside Health, is that our care providers can see the whole person. They can understand all of the care that they need, all of the specialists that they may need to visit, and every single time our patients show up with their provider at Everside Health, I know and I'm confident that our providers are actually understanding the full scope of what is needed so that our patients and their family members don't have to be the care coordinator, and that they can have confidence that everything is being taken care of. I love talking to Everside Health providers. It's one of the things that I find most fulfilling in my job, is being able to hear the real stories of how our providers are developing relationships with their patients, how they're able to care for them. And so I hear the stories about the incredible work where they've helped a patient really turn around a health situation. And they were able to do that because they had the time, the access, the technology to help them be effective. The other thing I hear about from our providers all the time is how they love our culture. And they know that our leaders are listening to them, that they have a voice, that we want their input and their feedback and their ideas about how we continue to be leaders in our space.